Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Afreum. Is Afreum the next big project on Stellar? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out the exclusive crypto growth discount offer on Decent. Decent is secure, convenient, and safe. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $60 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $139 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. And guys, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite Stellar, guys. So do check it out. I personally recommend storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Afreum at the time of the recording. Let's see what Afreum has been up to. So guys, this is the chart of Afreum. It is extremely volatile and a strange looking chart, to be very honest. And this has remained the case since a very long time now. Check this out. Although it is down 11.20%, 0.001558, but guys, it goes up and down in waves like this. And it's not only in the daily. Let us look into the 7-day. Yeah. Now, this is a really weird looking chart, to be very honest. It is down 5.10%. If you look at the 7 days, if you look at the monthly chart, it is up, although it is up 61.38%, but it still is a really weird looking chart. I've rarely seen this sort of chart, guys. Check this out. I mean, it is weird. And it is up 61.38%. It is doing the sideways action over here. If you look at the yearly chart, it is up 1089%, guys. This has been phenomenal. And even though it has given so much gains, it is still 12.45 million market cap according to CMC, and according to CoinGecko, which I'm going to be showing you in a moment. It is it is much more down, guys. It is, I think, $6 to $7 million market cap. If you look at CoinGecko, check this out, guys. Afreum is basically trying to break out from this range, the 0.0018 resistance level. If it breaks out, then we will go head on forward to the price discovery mode. It has performed extremely well in the last year or so. So yeah. Now, in coin market cap, guys, we are seeing that there is no volume over here. But if we look at CoinGecko, guys, we are seeing that the 24-hour volume is 207,000, basically. But here we cannot see the chart. I do not know what's wrong with both of them. Yeah, here is the chart, the all times. Okay, so my bad. Anyway, so check this out, guys. The volume, although it was down 23,000 in 2023, the volume has increased significantly. Check this out, guys. 208,000, 233,000. The volume has increased significantly. Yeah, the volume is good. Anyways, guys, let me show you the market cap as well. $6.5 million market cap according to CoinGecko, and fully diluted valuation $9, guys. So there are a lot of people that are bullish on Afreum as well in the Stellar ecosystem. So check this out. According to big crypto investor Mind Internet, the next big project is Afreum. Capitalization 6 million only, guys. $6 million. Large set of Web3 applications, passive income. This rocket will be X 1000x in the shortest possible time. Can be purchased in the Lobster wallet or on Stellar DEX. My bags, check this out: WTK, XLM, QNT, SHX, AFR, XDC, VELO, XRP. We've covered all of this. We time and again cover all of these. You guys can check out various videos on all of these projects. Check this out now, guys. Afreum wallet, a non-custodial Stellar blockchain wallet supporting Afreum tokens, XLM, USDC, BTC, Ethereum, and more. What else do we have? We've got Afreum Swap. Easily swap between Afreum tokens automatically using path payments on the Stellar blockchain. Correct the spelling of automatically. Anyways, because this is needed. Or maybe they've written atomically, maybe. So who knows? Afreum Pay take advantage of a totally permissionless QR code-based payments network and earn cashbacks. Afreum Ramp cash in or cash out via crypto payment providers using credit, debit cards, or bank transfers. Afreum Save put your Afreum tokens to work, earning up to 10% per year. So it is calculated based on calculations. Afreum trade Afreum tokens such as AFR, AFRX, flexible country tokens against XLM, USDC, and other tokens. Afreum Cash trade fiat for Afreum tokens or Afreum tokens for fiat with our peer-to-peer exchange. What else do we have? We've got Afreum rates as well. Check exchange rates of Afreum tokens against any fiat currency and select cryptocurrencies. Awesome. Afreum stake, you guys can stake it as well. Stake Afreum tokens in stellar liquidity pools to earn fees and rewards. So passive income opportunity here as well. Afreum stables mint or redeem USDC-backed tokens pegged 1:1 with local fiat using Afreum fiat tokens. Afreum bridge AFR tokens from Stellar to other networks such as BNB, Chain, and Ethereum. So basically, cross-chain compatible. Cross-chain compatibility is there. Afreum DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, guys. So this is for decentralized governance. Participate in the Afreum DAO and help shape the development of the Afreum ecosystem. So basically, DAO is for decision making that the community gets involved and all of that stuff, guys. So a huge ecosystem being built over here, and according to big crypto investor, Afreum might be that next big project. Who knows? Let's see, but it certainly has potential as it is basically following in the footsteps of other projects that have been successful in the short term in terms of price action and in terms of community building and fundamental development as well, like SHX and VELO. So let us look into this as well. What the community is saying at the moment about AFR. Strongly believe that VELO, SHX, PLI, WTK and AFR will be some of the biggest winners over the next 12 months. And guys, VELO reached 100 plus million valuation. SHX reached double digit as well. WTK is doing well as well. Uh, these two, the PLI and AFR, I'm extremely bullish that PLI built on XDC network, it's going to be doing extremely well as well. And people are bullish on AFR as well. So according to Quantum Ranuna, if I'm Ultra Runa, okay, my bad. According to him, or yeah, him, the biggest winners over the 12 next 12 months will be these projects, guys. Some truly astonishing low market caps for these, given the fundamentals, project progression, and teams involved. No coincidence that XLM and XDC layer 2s are involved. Obviously, guys, XLM and XDC, I shared a news a few hours ago about XDC as well. You guys can check that out, how it is indeed becoming bullish. XLM is already becoming a brand, and both of these projects are going to be doing well, and their layer 2s are going to be flying as well, in my opinion, those that have great fundamentals. So there is potential, like Ply, AFR, these are micro caps. SHX, VELO, and WTK are still low to mid cap if you it depends on your perspective. And Afreum, guys, it is basically trying to develop as well. Check this out. This is a post which was posted by the Afreum of official X handle, guys, 5 hours ago. Afreum RWA tokenization started when we tokenized 156 fiat currencies on Stellar. Afreum fiat tokens are minted with USDC and redeemed for USDC at prevailing exchange rates. So, what has anyone commented over here? Red Pill Pro, he's involved in these. He's dedicated with the XLM in the XLM infrastructure, guys. Tokenized or tokenize? Not connected. Enter pin code. I do not know what this is. How does Afreum handle the risk of depacking of USDC? So USDC, although guys, people are saying that USDC is one of the most safest stable coins, the depegging and USDC is backed by the Circle, guys. In this case scenario, guys, even USDT is packed with. There are so many projects that are involved with USDT. The depegging of these stable coins, guys, this is obviously a threat, but you have to basically rely on the best asset class out there, the best stable coin, and a lot of people are saying that the circle backed USDC is really good. So, anyways, the community is also extremely bullish about AFR. Check this out. What are they saying? It's time. Down to the hour. This is an older post over here. If you look at the latest posts, is there anything new? AFR partnership on the way. The next due item on the roadmap is Afreum DAO and our educational content, FAQs. Of course, we continue to pursue partnerships and work on Afreum Pay. We have an upcoming retail experience powered by Afreum that was announced. That's all we can say at the moment. Lots of work continues on decentralization and optimizing Afreum 2.0 and moving as much as possible on chain. So, guys, what do you guys think about Ephraim being the next big thing in Stellar ecosystem? I would like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.